Hi everyone, welcome to Dragon Image. Today I thought I'd take the opportunity to just tell you a little bit about Dragon Image and tell you where we come from and how we can help you kind of achieve your goals. Dragon Image started off in Melbourne back in '93. We started off as a photographic company, and from there we grew with our customers. So as the photographic company kind of industry moved towards video, we moved with them. This meant we could grow and develop new product lines and kind of help people with kind of more unique kind of solutions. But it also meant we had the ability to expand to 3 states. So we're now currently in Melbourne, Sydney and Brisbane. This behind me is actually our Sydney store. As you can see, we've got a lot of equipment and a lot of solutions to help you be able to shoot better. One of the main things Dragon Image is known for is for their lighting. Not only do we build custom studios such as green chroma key studios as well as like interview studios, but we also do a range of kind of cheaper alternatives for people kind of starting off, such as little on-camera lights, little LED panels such as the 1x1 foot, and luckily we have videos on all of them. So you can always check out our pages to find out kind of what the actual light produces, not only how much it costs. Dragon is also proud to be the only red dealer in Australia. This means that we get to provide such a great camera that is currently being used on shows like Game of Thrones or Stranger Things, as well as movies like The Hobbit, Guardians of the Galaxy, The Martian, Allied, just to name a few. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to show you the full range of Dragon Image kind of products. I just wanted to let you know that Dragon Image also does a whole range of other kind of accessories, such as audio solutions, camera solutions, such as rigging and shoulder mounts and so forth, as well as cables and all those little peripherals that you need as a cameraman. If you're interested in anything that you kind of see today, or you want to ask us some questions, please visit your local store. We're available to talk to you in person, such as myself in Sydney. We also have stores in Melbourne and Brisbane. And if you want to view our full range of videos, you can always visit our YouTube or Vimeo pages. Thanks.